Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlogmas week 2. I am outside of Chipotle. I just picked some up. Let me show you my order. Just get brown rice, chicken, corn salsa, spicy salsa on the side, fajita veggies, and a little bit of cheese. I just ate this in the car like the loser that I am. And now I'm going to the mall to pick up some candles for the Bath & Body Works sale and also get my nails fixed. They're pretty chipped and grown out. So I thought that would be a fun Friday night activity. We have a lot of fun, festive, Christmassy things coming up this week. Tomorrow, my boyfriend and I are going to Phipps to see the flowers. It's going to be so pretty. So I'm excited for that. We're also going to see some lights at the zoo later on in the week. So plenty of Christmas fun. And what better way to kick off this weekend than by getting some cheap $10 candles at Bath & Body Works and having a little self-care night. So if you like this kind of content, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep watching. So it's Saturday, it's about 4:30. I'm gonna leave in a half hour. We're gonna go to dinner tonight at this place called Mercurio's. We're gonna get some pizza and then head to Phipps. I'm really excited about it. Rocking the red lipstick. Got my nails done yesterday. The tips are like this red glitter and I really like them. Let me show you my outfit. I am just wearing this plain black swing dress from Loft. I actually got it a few years ago for $10 on sale. And then this statement necklace from Bobble Bar. I really like it around the holidays. Kind of looks like a snowflake. It has like these like rosy pink and silver crystals. In the back you can see my Kate Spade purse. I'm just wearing some new tights from H&M. They are fleece lined, so they're really warm. And then I'm gonna wear some black boots. So I will try to take you guys along with us tonight as best as I can. And yeah, I'm just really excited about it. Yes.
Okay.
So we're here at Phipps and we're walking around and there's all these pretty lights and everything is nice and socially distant.
Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you.
So I'm back home. Last night was amazing. The flowers were all so beautiful. We got some pizza and wine and just had a really nice time. And then today we went to brunch and I got home a little while ago, took a shower, changed, and I have a bunch of things to show you guys. So this is gonna be like kind of a huge haul. So these are all the candles that I got from Bath & Body Works Candle Day. They really packed these in there nicely. I ended up getting 5 candles. First up, I got the strawberry pound cake. This smells really sweet, kind of like strawberries and cream, and I think it'll be a perfect scent for spring and summer. Definitely has like a nice creamy vanilla undertone to it. And then I got spiced apple toddy. This smells amazing. I'm thinking this will be a nice like February scent with this like lavender color. It smells like cinnamon and apples. It smells and looks divine. I wasn't even planning on buying this one or that one, but they both kind of caught my eye. This is one that I knew I wanted. I wanted Marshmallow Fireside. I've had it like in soap and different things like that, but never the candle. And this just smells like marshmallows. But it's not like an overbearing too sweet scent. It's kind of like a musky marshmallow. Then I got Mahogany Balsam. This is a new take on fresh balsam. I still have my fresh balsam left over from last year, so I decided to go with this one. And this is like fresh balsam, but a little bit muskier, and it's kind of like a more grown-up scent. And I really love this like emerald green packaging. I thought it was really pretty. Then finally, I think I probably will save this candle for next fall. This is Sweater Weather, a classic. I know it was sold out online really quick, so I was surprised that my store still had it. Oh, and this just smells like a guy's cologne with like a hint of apple. They only had the plain packaging like this, but I was glad because, like I said, then I could just keep it for next fall and burn probably this one and my fresh balsam and my 'Tis the Season from last year. This I think will be a good January scent, and then maybe like February. I also was able to use my $10 off coupon, so it was like an amazing deal. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Bobble Bar. They were having an amazing Cyber Monday sale. OMG, I am freaking obsessed. So first I got this semi-fine jewelry. This necklace retailed for $70 and I got it for $30. So this is really pretty. Really pretty. I don't think it's quite as nice as Miranda Fry, but for this price, couldn't really beat it, and I know I'll get a lot of use out of that. And I'm really intrigued because I did not order this. Don't even have pierced ears and they sent me this. I was supposed to get a bracelet. That is so freaking weird. I would also never wear these. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to like call them up. Oh wait. Here's my bracelet. I guess they just sent me this for fun. I'm confused. I'm very confused. Okay, this is what I thought I ordered, this gold bracelet. It's definitely a different gold than the Miranda Fry gold, but it still looks nice. It's just like a chain link bracelet to kind of add to my stack. I forget how much this was, but it was pretty discounted. Let me see if it gives me a receipt or something. Nope, so either they accidentally sent me this or this was some kind of promotion that I wasn't aware of, so maybe I'll give it to one of my friends for Christmas. Yeah, I don't have pierced ears. Everyone always finds that really strange, but my ears got so sensitive. I had them pierced at one time and they were just way too sensitive. I tried 14 karat gold, nickel free, all that, and nothing ever worked for me. I am gonna share with you guys what I got from Nespresso.com. They weren't having a Black Friday sale or anything. I was just getting low on pods. So I did a pretty big restock. So first up we have the Iced Forte, which I have never tried this one. I don't think I had an espresso when it came out in the summer, but they brought it back. So you know I love iced coffee. This packaging is super glam and I'm excited to try this. I got Melozio, which is like the medium roast. Stormio is my favorite. It's the dark roast, but I figured I would get this one to just kind of switch it up. And I also love the hazelnut, the Hazelino. So I ended up picking up 2 of these. So I should be stocked up for a long time now. Mom actually picked this up for me so kindly. The Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So I'm gonna go ahead and open day number 1. Woo! I'm so excited. This is the Toasted Marshmallow Shimmer Body Wash. I've never tried any of Trader Joe's beauty products at all. So this is cute. This is fun. This smells like a really like clean, sweet vanilla scent. Perfect. I'm super excited to try that. So that's all of my haul. I am going to unpack my bag, do some laundry, and then catch up with you guys later or tomorrow. So it's about 8:30. I'm gonna take a bath and do some skincare. I have been loving this for moisturizer, the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Acid. This is pretty gentle, pretty light, so it's good if you have oily skin. I'm gonna use a little bit of this peel on my back. It's the AHA BHA peeling solution from The Ordinary. This is really strong and it will really dry out your face. I tried it on my back once like a week ago and it seemed pretty effective, so I'm gonna use it again. And then I'll probably put this on my face, the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA solution. I'll just put that on my chin where I have some hormonal acne right there. So yeah, I'm going to take a bath and do some skincare. I always like to do a little bit more skincare on Sunday nights. It's kind of nice and relaxing and gets me ready for the week. It's Monday. This is what I'm eating for lunch, some Trader Joe's lemon basil pasta salad. It's really tasty and not too lemony. So if you don't like overbearingly lemony things like me, you'd probably like it. This is what my boyfriend got me for our anniversary, a little sheepy and a huge Kit Kat. And these very pretty flowers. Love it. So pretty. Today's a bit busier of a day. I have some things to work on for an audit next year. And I've been pretty busy with that, so I'm gonna keep working, and I don't have any meetings this afternoon, so hopefully I can make a good dent in this and kind of wrap this up tomorrow. So it's Wednesday and I'm here sitting at my desk at my computer working on some things. I just went out and got my coffee. I got a regular iced coffee, 2 pumps of cream, and 2 pumps of the peppermint mocha at Dunkin'. I've never tried Dunkin's peppermint mocha and it is legit very good. Highly recommend. This evening is going to be so fun. In replace of my company's Christmas party, they decided to give us one night. Tonight you had to sign up for different slots and you can go see the Christmas lights at the zoo. So I'm really excited about that. You just stay in your car, it's socially distanced, you don't get out or anything. So my boyfriend and I are gonna go do that tonight. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Just gotta get through this afternoon and then get ready really quick after work and then drive down to Pittsburgh. So I hope all of you guys are having a lovely and festive week. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing a lacy black cami from White House Black Market. This white sweater is really old. It's from Hollister. These jeans are actually from Costco, or I think Sam's actually. And then I'm wearing my red and green latte socks. I was gonna wear a necklace with this, but I thought it would be too much. And then I have this pearl barrette from Amazon in my hair. I will link it down below if you're interested. And I just kept my eye makeup really simple, silver and sparkly, and of course a festive red lip. So I'm gonna get ready to leave in about 10 minutes or so, and then I'll catch up with you guys there. Are you enjoying the lights?
Oh, absolutely.
And yes, there's Simba.
A little Lion King display.